New song, this is our fastest song. This song has a little story behind it. Are you guys ready for our fastest? It's not only our fastest, it's got twice as many notes per measure than our next fastest song, which is pretty fast. The song was written recently when I was in Romania searching for the Gypsies. So I rented a car, went off looking for the Gypsies, ended up in Transylvania, found a lot of Gypsy villages, but I couldn't find the Gypsy musicians because I wanted to learn the Gypsy music. Anyways, I ended up in my despair going behind some Gypsy wagons in a field and started playing my violin, but the birds in Romania are so loud. I was trying to write the song there, I was making this big racket, and the next thing you know, my song kind of sounded like the birds. And then it made me realize that it actually sounds like Romanian Gypsy music. So I think I learned my Gypsy music after all. This one's called Gypsy Bird. It's from the brand new CD that we have out. You can buy it in CD or download card for even cheaper. Here it is, Gypsy Bird.